Friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Once again, today I brought also new collections from the varieties from the party wear fancy sarees with exclusive matching saree blouse varieties. If I talk about these collections, starts from only 230 rupees at factory cost. If what about the highest price? The highest price is around 800 to 900 rupees. But today I'm going to show you around 500 rupees the collections through 600 rupees varieties. Keep watching this video. Retailers, dealers, wholesalers, every exclusive saree is having a color chart with the different varieties set to set. So there's a bell icon, just click it. You can do also visit a video live call purchase and you can add into your business to make your customers happy, especially the working women who are working and need a same exclusive matching blouse varieties which is lightweight with the same photocopy of the model you can easily stitch in the same model. Let's have a look of the few samples. So just enjoy these collections by watching this video. Every pattern you have a different unique varieties. So all these collections. The first pattern is a dark Rajdoot is the code. Very pretty saree. You can see here. Beautiful saree of the bold printed of the floral matte look finishing of the dark wine color. I can see the Rajdoot and the multi contrasted thread work with the jerry work, the running blouse on the Georgette base the fabric, and this is the photocopy. Exactly you can match and you can stitch the the blouse in this same pattern. In this you have a color chart set to set. If I talk about the next variety, all these exclusive collections, very pretty of this checks pattern which is light Rama green with the fancy thread work tassels. Devika is the code which is a two-tone shade of the light come dark, and in this you got a bottle green with the color combination with a heavy sequence handwork pattern, and I'm going to show you the same photocopy for this saree. In this all varieties are exclusive collections in this set to set, and in this also you can buy color charts. And in the market when we go for the purchase, these collections are triple margin is selling out. Next pattern is a beautiful color with a two-tone shade of maroon color, coffee brown with the dark mud color. So multi-color combination is the Tata Choice 2 is the code. Tata Choice is the 2 is the code. And in this thread work with the sequence handwork is the pattern. All these exclusive collections you can display in your shop, even in the showroom or shop or in the social media where you have a page of the online selling. You can easily display for your customers to make your customers attractive, and easily you can also sell these collections as a fast moving. Next pattern variety which is a very chiffon based fabric. Chiffon based fabric which is a dotted of the dark magenta color combination. Very simple and very classy, but in this also fancy tassel has been given. In this you got the glossy silk pattern of the shining fabric of the blouse which is a mild thread work around this, and the running sequence work has been done. And this I am going to show you exactly. This is a photocopy. So this is a Gun 2 is the code. Next variety, such a beautiful concept of this lavender color shade of the lavender color shade, dotted silver stone finishing, ice corner is the code, and in this dotted silver stone has been placed in this satin based, and this is the silver jerry with the beautiful thread work which is a leaf pattern, heavy concept which has been given. I am going to show you the beautiful blouse has been stitched in this jerry, and the heavy concept which is backside and the front part has been covered in this. In this also you have a color chart. Next pattern, if I talk about the light settle color which is a chiffon based multi triple shade of the checks pattern which is a classy mehendi color, very simple with a creamish color with a mehendi green color, fancy tassels has been given. Gun is the code, and in this also glassy, take 3. In this also glossy satin silk based of fabric, and this is a photocopy. Exact photocopy, you can make your customers happy. You can easily show these photocopies and you can sell your customers. And in the family like aunt, sisters, nephew, in-laws, you can also easily gift each one another. So easily buy collections buying these varieties. Peach color, very simple sober fancy tassels with a baby pink flower based the thread works, and there is a parallel lines of the sequence, mild chunky work has been given. This is the exclusive party wear, I can say. This is the sequence and the handwork pattern of the net based fabric of the running blouse. In this, the photocopy is the same photocopy. So even in this every variety you can see here varieties like blouse collections with sarees. Every box you can find out the fancy sarees you can also purchase, and you can make your customers happy. Easily all these varieties you can add into your business. Retailers, dealers, wholesalers, these all collections you can easily purchase. No damages, no quantity issue, no quality issue. You can contact by video calling purchase, live purchase, visit purchase also. You can do morning 9:30 to 8:30, shop is there. So you can contact like sari, lehenga, kurti, gown, sharara, side wear, party wear, lehengas, kids collections, men varieties, bottom, dupattas, kurta sets, kurtis, chudidars, running material, suit material, astar, lining, matching collections, ready-made blouses, blouse bits, inskirts, all at one place with a wholesale price. So hope these collections you liked it. Let me know in the comment box which collection you liked it, and let me know from which city you're watching the video and following these collections and the channel, and subscribe to the channel. There's a bell icon, just click it. COD options pan India, you can easily purchase by sitting from your home. You can do online shopping. So you can do these collections of fancy sarees with blouse, COD options, advance payments, booking. Hope you enjoyed these collections. Please let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Subscribe the channel, there's a bell icon, just click it for the regular updates. Please follow the website, social media pages, share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Keep watching. Let me know in the comment box what kind of collections you are looking for, so I can make up videos and I can share with you. Next video will come up with more collections and business informations video. Keep supporting. Until then, take care. Bye bye.